I have a question for you. Do you have a smartphone that you use often? The answer is most likely yes. And if that's the case, then you can get started on making money online, even if you've never done so until now. This is also possible without investing a dime, as it's completely free to make. All you have to do is download the apps that I'll show you and do literally nothing and collect your earnings. For today, we will be going over 3 different websites or apps that can make you money and passive income. And all you need to do for this to work is to watch this step-by-step tutorial through the end, and by then you'll be able to start making money with just your phone. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers, and now let's get into the video. Alright, so just like I said in that intro, I have 3 apps to show you today. So without further ado, the first one that I'll be using is called userfeel.com. This is a website I reckon many of you didn't even know existed until now. First of all though, what is userfeel.com? Well, it's a website where you can test various apps, sites, and such and get paid. The way this works is basically companies from all over the world will need someone to test their apps or their websites in order to find any sort of bugs and problems in the apps, and this is where userfeel.com comes in. So userfeel.com will pay people like you to do the testing for those companies, and you get paid, as simple as that. As you can guess, such testing does not require any particular knowledge, a set of skills, or experience to do so, and that's precisely why this is the first website I'm showing you today. It's an excellent place to get started on making money online if you've never done so before. And furthermore, this is a very popular website that has over hundreds of thousands of testers from all over the world. So this does work in most countries and will most likely work in yours too, and this is arguably one of the best features of this website. They also have hundreds of happy clients, and some of the sad clients can be seen just below, which as you can see include some very big companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. You also see quite a bit of info about this website, as well as the features they have. Userfeel is a multilingual usability and user testing tool, tests any sites in any languages. The panel consists of more than 130,000 testers speaking 40 languages. This, I reckon, brings a lot of their customers to this website, as having testers from all over the world means that the site or app that's not in English can still be tested without any problems. Here we can see some info regarding the testers themselves, and so it is relevant for us to definitely test on desktop, mobile, or tablet. Testing with both our app and an external camera allows us to test websites or applications on Android, iPhone, or iPad. This is why I said back in that intro that you can do this without your phone. In the end, it is of course your decision, but the fact that this is doable on the smartphone is a big bonus because you don't have to be home per se. To be able to test the apps, a phone or a tablet is all you need to do so. Down here you can see that there are very fast and some extra info about the website that I simply won't go over because it's like irrelevant for us. What you need to do instead when you come here is click on Become a Tester in the upper right corner. On the next page you can see that you can get paid $10 per test, with each test lasting between 10 and 20 minutes. In other words, you can get paid $10 in 20 minutes or 10 minutes. At least that's not a small amount of money considering the fact that you literally don't need any skills to do this. Now when you come onto this page, I recommend thoroughly reading everything here, simply because you need to know exactly how this works and what you need to do. I'll go over the most important bits so I don't prolong this video. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and now let's get back to it. First off, a great feature about this is that you don't need to pay for anything, just like it says here. However, you will need a Windows or Mac computer and a microphone. If you have a laptop, then you don't even need to buy one because it probably already contains an internal microphone. If you have or need to buy one, you don't need something too expensive. It literally says here that it can be as cheap as $2, so nothing too sophisticated. You won't need to use your real name when conducting a test, so no worries about that. something that is quite important to mention as well is the qualification test. So you will not be able to get started on testing right away, but this qualification test just verifies that you have a microphone and you can complete various tasks. Once again, nothing complex or hard is required from you. The last thing worth mentioning on this page is how you get paid. And as you can see, you do get paid through PayPal. And I know a lot from my comments section that some of you want sites that will pay you not through cryptocurrency alone, but also through other means. And with this website, PayPal is most definitely an option. Now, when you read all of this, your next step is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, click on Become a Tester right here, and from there you'll be taken to a page where you just have to enter in some of your basic info, which I'm sure you can manage on your own, so I will not talk you through that process. With all that said, the time has now come to jump onto the second platform, and I'll show you in this tutorial. The platform in question is called honeygain.com. This website is quite different in comparison to the first one because you will be making money by sharing your internet. Now don't worry, your security is not going to be at risk or anything. And Honeygain, as you can see, is a perfect way to earn passive income online. Here you can see that Honeygain is indeed secure. Like I said before, Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks or gains access to the storage of your device, so they will not steal your data, and your internet traffic is only used by the people they trust. If you want to read more than this, you can click right here, but in my opinion, I don't think that's necessary. Just below you can see how honeygain.com works, and long story short, it makes the internet more accessible to other users out there, and in return you get paid for just that. Down here you can see the step-by-step process. So your first step is installing this and then run Honeygain. The app will gather data using your internet data, which will help other businesses in the process. And finally, you will get paid to do so through PayPal. And for some of you who like cryptocurrency, it is also available. The last thing worth noting about this site is the fact that it does not pay a huge amount of money. And the money you get paid depends a lot on your internet connection. But I have to remind you that this is a passive income method, not an active one. As was the case with the previous website, with honeygain.com, you can just leave it running and it makes you money. And so in my opinion, you should use both Honeygain when you don't have the time to do anything and Userfeel when you do. The last app we will be covering today is called MoneyApp over at moneyapp.org. This is one of the best rated apps of this kind that I've ever seen out there. And as you can see, it is also available for both Google Play and iOS. However, for some reason, I could not find it on Google Play. And so I can only guarantee you that this will work on your iPhone for now. But nevertheless, if you come over to the App Store, you will see that not only does this app have a 4.9 star rating, but the said rating is given by hundreds of thousands of people. And so this should show you that this app can and will get you paid. You will get paid by completing various tasks they have to offer, which will earn you credits that you will then exchange for money. And that, everyone, brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on this channel, which is every day. And don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.